In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send fireworks in iMessage, providing a fun and dynamic way to spice up your text messages, whether you're wishing someone a happy birthday, celebrating a special occasion, or simply wanting to brighten someone's day with a little digital flair. Adding fireworks to your message is sure to leave an impression. Let's jump in and make your iMessages burst with excitement. First things first, you'll need to open the Messages app on your device. This is where all your text conversations live and where we'll be working our magic today. Once you've got the app open, navigate into the conversation where you want to send your fireworks effect. This can be a chat with a friend, family member, or even a group thread. Now it's time to craft your message. In the text field at the bottom, go ahead and type out whatever you'd like to say. Some common phrases that pair perfectly with fireworks are celebratory messages like Happy New Year or a hearty congrats. Of course, you can type anything that suits the message you want to convey. Once your message is ready to go, don't hit send just yet. Instead, you're going to press and hold the send arrow, which is typically a blue icon located to the right of your text box. Keep your finger pressed down until a new screen with different sending effects appears. From here, you'll notice two tabs at the top of the screen, one labelled bubble and the other labelled screen. To achieve our fireworks effect, tap on the Screen tab, which lets you explore different full screen animations. At this point, you'll see an array of effects that you can swipe through. Swipe left to browse through the effects until you reach the fireworks animation. As you swipe, you'll see each effect displayed as a preview on your screen, ranging from balloons to confetti, and finally the vibrant fireworks. Once you've found the fireworks display, all that's left to do is finalize your send. Simply tap the send arrow one more time, and your message will be delivered with a spectacular burst of colourful fireworks, providing a delightful surprise for the recipient. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've learned how to embellish your iMessages with an exciting fireworks effect. Feel free to experiment with other screen effects, and keep this trick in mind the next time you want to make your messages shine. Thanks for watching, and enjoy making your own conversations sparkle.